frozen fields and winter thrills the story of January. January is the heart of winter. It's the time when the world transforms into a frozen wonderland. As the temperatures drop, the cold grips everything around us. The air is sharp, and the snow blankets the ground, creating a pure white landscape that stretches as far as the eye can see. The trees stand tall and bare, their branches stripped of leaves, reaching out like skeletal fingers into the icy sky. The cold is so intense that even the oil in our lamps freezes solid. Milk, once warm and comforting, turns to ice in the bottle. The rivers that usually flow freely are now silent, locked beneath a thick ice sheet. Fields that once teemed with life are now covered in frost, glittering under the weak winter sun. But despite the cold, there's a certain magic to January. Children take to the outdoors, sliding and gliding over the ice-covered fields. The joy of sliding down a snow-covered hill. The thrill of the cold wind on your face is a winter tradition. And in this icy month, learning to slide is almost a rite of passage. January might be cold and unforgiving, but it's also filled with simple joys. The world might be frozen, but it's alive with the laughter of those who embrace the season. Thank you for watching. Stay warm and subscribe.